And it's upside down. Here you go.
Let me see. Alright, here we are again with another video. Brakes. Our favorite thing to do, only because we've neglected them for so many years across all our cars. So, the last video we did rotors in the front. We did pads in the front. Yeah, don't mind this beautiful, fast, thing here. Yeah, we did rotors in the front, pads in the front, clean up the wheels, clean up the tires. Obviously, these are not the OEM wheels. So what we're gonna do is now do the rear. We're gonna do just one side, showing you the struggle. Another side without the struggle. Abram did the first front with little to no struggle. I'm gonna do a lot of struggle. So if you're looking forward to it, we'll meet you down there. Struggle's kind of funny. I never show this, but Abram's always the one on the floor, and I'm always the one jacking. Here we go.
Okay.
How many is the stand?
Now we're jacking shit up.
I'm always want to jack it up. Here. I don't know if there's space down there. Oh yeah, look at this monster here.
0 to 60 in 20 seconds.
0 to 60? Never. In 3 to 6 business days. Phenomenal properties. Whew. So this one has a wheel spacer on, and I'm going to take off because it's rubbing, because obviously these are not the correct wheels for this vehicle. Here, HOA people, everybody complaining. Here's the cobwebs. Even if I go park it outside for like an hour, they will be there. If I drive it within 30 minutes, they'll still be there. They always come up. There's nothing you can do. The car's drivable. It's got insurance. It's legal. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you really want me out of the neighborhood, please subscribe.
Oh, construction.
Oh, you know what this is from? The tire, dude.
Wow. Okay.
The blowout, remember? Blown out.
Artlist.io.
19, I'm assuming.
Did you check it?
Nope. I usually just struggle first.
Make sure we call the flies in.
Yeah, please. Go a little deeper. Promise that's not what she said.
Deeper. Whoa, whoa.
Damn, I can't even like.
Maneuver back there.
Huh?
There's a maneuver back there.
Oh, it won't reach. It won't reach.
What?
Yeah, it won't reach, Dougie. There. Hold on. I don't even think. Oh. Oh, man.
Am I coming off?
Uh-uh.
Okay, put it the other way, then I'll hit it down. Put your hand there.
Okay.
Put it, yeah, there you go. Okay, now go this way. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, no way, dude. I'm gonna have to spray it or something. Or use a nut buster. Oh, I got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Don't put down too tight next time.
No shit.
Probably got really hot. The tire maybe? Okay.
Okay. Let me do the
other one. Good. Rafael!
Can't get it in there.
Oh. You know this?
Yeah? Yeah, let's go. Now that I broke.
Artlist.io.
If you happen to have multiple STIs with multiple intake manifold bolts lying around,
Just 8. Make it 8. 8 or 1. Oh, dude. Yeah, the parking brake on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
let's see.
Okay.
I'll put my gardening gloves on.
This is fun. You can start from here.
It's still on there though.
Yeah. Let's see.
There it
Totally
goes.
forgot. Yeah, we gotta push it back in. The brake pad. Push it. There you go. Yeah, you should be fine.
Sure.
I hope so. I'm going back now.
Oh look, it broke all
there.
this.
Okay.
Okay, now what? How does this go?
Fuck. I need that special tool if I don't have it here. Push it back in.
Let's close.
I forgot you. Let's see.
Oh, it broke. It snapped it off completely.
Yeah, I think it came out. No, it just comes. You have to twist it. There's like a little pin back there, and you have to use the special tool to push it and twist it to push it. All right, clean your rotors if you got this oil sticky oily thing.
It's like gunky.
So yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put one on here, right?
Yeah. Nice and windy now. Perfect.
Of course. Nobody wants to come cut the grass right now? Or leaf blow?
We got a new light provided by the Cybertruck.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Get those pins in there. Gonna pull them out. Gentle. Okay, next one. There you go. Okay.
Leverage it, yeah. Okay, and then
So
the
now
pin's
you're
out.
gonna get that pin.
Where's
There's a
that?
pin behind you.
This one
On
here?
the-
This one?
The yellow top. Yeah. So
This
you're gonna push this. There's like a little.
That way, right? Oh, I see it, I see it, I
it's
see it.
like to release some pressure. Okay.
I mean, this pad is like...
brand new. Yeah. We haven't driven the damn thing.
Yeah, well, it's usually freaking broken. Every time somebody else has their hands in it, it's broken. Anytime there's anytime there's a shop involved, the car doesn't work. Every time I'm involved, the car works.
Okay, so now
What do we need? The new pads, right?
where are they? Okay, so on the heat shield,
How much?
some
Like
grease.
that?
Yeah, and then just kind of rub it around. That's good enough.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we're gonna clean these pins because they're really dirty.
Yeah, you can use this to collect all of it. Huh?
On the back, try to just line it up a little bit. On top or bottom, which doesn't matter. Just do like half of it, halfway.
Slide it in.
Not all the way, but just like half. Oh yeah.
No, this one's like.
Okay, let me press it in. Okay, try it. Oh yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now I need to put this little thing back in, right? Or
Let
thing
me put
first?
the bottom one. Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay. Okay, wait. Turn.
Yeah,
the
you did. That was what I was gonna say.
More. Oh yeah.
Here we are, round 2. Recording?
Yep.
Good. Round 2. You know why? We're showing you this because we messed up a little bit.
Just a little bit.
I'll show the little like clip right here.
Back down.
Oh, look, it broke
Oh,
all
there.
this.
Okay.
Now for the dirty tire.
Just let it roll out there.
Just let it keep going and going.
Don't let it go.
I know. I'm trying to let it. There we go. I guess that's decent. There.
There you go.
Okay.
I was like,
There we go.
F1 speed.
We got
Formula One.
Formula Ones. We got world record. Lug nut busting. All this couldn't be made possible without Abram's nut buster.
Oh.
The bustiest of them all. Go for it.
Ralph has given up. No, he's getting the tire. He's getting the tire.
I'm playing the tire. We're trying to kill 10 birds with one stone.
Okay, so the reason why the other video was cut was because we broke this piece. This piece broke due to wear.
Due
So we
to
had to get
old age.
We had to get a new one. Yeah. I put anti-seize here because it was like really on there. We never done the brakes in the back before, so the emergency brake pads look fine. Put anti-seize, and yeah, ready to go.
Everything was going until that thing broke. Which
Yeah,
has
good.
resulted in one O'Reilly strip. Thus the reason why we're playing in the dark.
Yeah. A little too far. A little too far away. Oh, and by the way, we do take this off.
It comes off with the caliper, no?
Yeah. It goes like this on the back. So just in case you don't know or whatever.
The cerveza almost fell.
Ah, my cerveza! My cerveza! Bring it a little low.
I don't always drop my beer, but when I do, it's Dos Equis.
He's doing.
I don't know if you can tell from this channel, but for the most part, Abram is like the brake and suspension guy, and I'm the engine guy. Kind of always works out that way. I don't know why, but
Artlist.io.
Okay. Round 3. Alright, we had the pins out. The baby pins. Baby pins for the pins. Okay, now we just gotta spray this. It's like really on there. Like really stuck on it.
where's that 12 millimeter at? Oh yeah, right here between your legs.
Woo, baby. Okay. Clean the pins because these are really dirty.
Artlist.io.
Got the heat shields greased up. Got the pins now greased. Grease those babies. Oh yeah. Really gonna grease them.
Artlist.io.
tire back on. Good to go.
There you go. All right, we had a day, mostly finished, minus one little piece, which we'll probably get back tomorrow. Not sure if we're gonna record it, but we got the brakes on in the rear. Was a lot more difficult in the front for some odd reason, maybe because I started it, and you know I can't seem to win. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Hopefully there's no more brake videos because I know there was like a series of brake videos. I think the next thing we're gonna try to do is maybe fix a TGV on the blue Subi, and then go from there.
Yeah, you're good.
All right.
There's somebody there. And it's upside down. Here you go.
Let me see.
Let's get in, bro.
Nah, I don't want to break it.
Oh, okay.
It says the weight limit's 150 and I'm, well, 210.
Oh, nice. No posi?
Yeah, you got it? There it is. I'm gonna park it. Okay. That's it.